Hello, I'm Sushma and I'm going to talk about the role of a special educator in early life. To understand more about it, let's talk about what is early childhood. It's time of exploring the environment. It's all about exploring. We explore the environment through different senses. And one of the way the child explores the environment through mirroring. We have often seen that the children mirror exactly what their parents are doing. So the child might be talking on the phone the way father speaks, or exactly the way grandparents doing something. So through mirroring, the child learns so many skills, and it's really fun to observe them at that state when they are doing it, because they fumble. When we are in a learning process, we all fumble, and we really enjoy seeing that when they do so. The challenge comes when this state is prolonged. The child is still fumbling, still not able to learn the skill. And that is where the whole concern and confusion in child's mother's mind starts. Because she feels, why this state is prolonged, and it's no more fun then. So mother goes in that confusion state, or maybe she goes into the denial state also. So she compares, she judges in her mind, and somehow she reaches to that conclusion that child has not achieved the skill. So when the child comes to a special educator, the focus of a special educator has to be only on to finding out innovative methods to teach the skills. Because at that state, there are high chances that when we are doing with the innovative methods, the neural pathways open and the child acquires the skills not learnt at appropriate age has an emotional bearing on the child's mind, and the environment adds to it. तुमसे नहीं होगा, shame, doubt, all this comes. At that age, the child does not have any internal objection, but the environment adds to it. So many times we have seen that so many skilled people, they are not doing great in life, not because there is an objection from the external environment. There is an internal objection comes. They start doubting their skills, they start doubting themselves, because at that age that shame and doubt has induced in their mind. We have seen that, I have seen in many families, when the child is not able to do specific things, the whole family sits, or specific people sit and laugh, or they do shame. All this is adding on to the mental drama of the child mind. It's like you are writing on the child's subconscious that you can't do it, or that shame that I am not capable, that comes at this age. So as a special educator, the role is to see that all this does not come, and the child feels okay about what he or she is, that the self is developed. Who am I? It is being developed at this age. So the special educator aids to it, aids to that process, that who am I? I am lovable, I am loved. Along with the teaching skills, this has to be programmed. Yes, I can. I love myself. If these two things even a special educator can do, it will have a huge impact on the child's life. So in all, we understand कि अर्ली ईयर्स में एक स्पेशल एजुकेटर एक स्ट्रॉन्ग नींव तैयार करती है, ताकि एक बच्चा ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छे तरीके से डेवलप हो जाए. So role of a special educator in early years is very, very important. Thank you so much.